PMI-ACP has made PMP irrelevant. With so many companies and industries moving to Agile, it makes no sense to get yourselves the PMP certification, says one person on my Twitter. Now, I recently shared a PMI fact file from the month of February 2023, and it stated that there are 50,000, I think 53,000 PMI ACPs, and there are 1.3 million PMPs. These numbers represent those who have their certifications in the active state. That means they've not forgotten about their certifications and they work towards continuing their education to make sure that their certifications that they have earned remain valid. So it appears that the people who renew their PMP certification far exceed those who renew their PMI ACP certification. 53,000 versus 1.3 million. And that gives you an indication about how serious these two certification holders are about continuing their education and gaining more knowledge about project management. Because in order to keep your certifications active and valid, you need to spend a certain number of hours educating yourselves about what's happening in the world of project management and then report those hours to PMI and make sure that your certifications remain valid. Most importantly, PMP is not predictive management professional, right? So now I'm trying to address the point that this tweet had where it said that PMI ACP has made PMP irrelevant. So PMP is not predictive management professional. It is project management professional. A PMP knows about agile, predictive, hybrid, you name it. The PMP professional, PMP certified professional knows in and out about project management. While someone who is an ACP knows just about agile. Now, if you work in an environment where you don't need to know about predictive, where you don't have to know about hybrid, you just your projects are focused on agile, then by all means go for ACP. But what we have seen is that PMP has aggressively pursued agile, and this is something which is very obvious with the kind of content you need to study to get yourselves the PMP certification, the new PMBOK 7, right? And even the number of questions around agile that you can expect in the exam, right? Almost 50%. Most people actually report more than 50% questions from agile in the PMP certification, right? So PMP has not left agile behind. PMP talks about the umbrella, the overarching concept of project management. ACP focuses on the smaller agile part. So I hope this helps you decide whether you should go for PMI ACP or the PMP certification. But I'd like to reiterate, PMP is the number one gold standard certification in the field of project management. It is not going anywhere. ACP has not made it irrelevant. We have all the content that you need to study for your PMI ACP as well as the PMP certification exams. So subscribe to us, check out our website pmclounge.com. All the articles and videos are neatly listed there. I'll see you around.